Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain one more pattern program in a Python. Program to display as follows. In this video, I am going to explain this pattern. To display this type of patterns, first of all, we have to divide this pattern into rows and columns. For example, like this. Here 5 rows and 5 columns. First of all, rows purpose, we have to write one for loop or while loop. I equal to 1 while I less than or equal to 5, I equal to I plus 1. In short form, I plus equal to 1. This meaning also I equal to I plus 1. This is for rows purpose. This loop is iterated 5 times for 5 rows. In that loop, here spaces purpose one loop required, stars purpose one loop required. In a first row, no space. Second row, 1 space. Third row, 2 spaces. Fourth row, 3 spaces. Fifth row, 5 spaces. Increment order, we have to write. Stars, first row 5 stars, second row 4 stars, third row 3 stars, fourth row 2 stars, fifth row 1 star. Stars purpose one loop required, stars decrement order required. Now first spaces purpose I'll write loop. J equal to 1 while J less than I. J equal to J plus 1. In short form, J plus equal to 1. Whenever I value 1, this loop not iterated. No space. Whenever I value 2, this loop one time iterated. 1 space. Whenever I value 3, this loop iterated 2 times, then 2 spaces. Whenever I value 4, this loop iterated 3 times, then 3 spaces. Whenever I value 5, this loop iterated 4 times, then 4 spaces. This is for spaces. Print space. For printing stars, one more loop required. In a first row, 5 stars, second row, 4 stars, third row, 3 stars, fourth row, 2 stars, fifth row, 1 star. It is decrement order required. So, one more loop. K equal to 5 while K greater than or equal to I. Print star. K equal to K minus 1. In short form, K minus equal to 1. If you write like this, whenever I value 1, this loop iterated 5 times, then 5 stars. Whenever I value 2, this loop iterated 4 times, then 4 stars. Whenever I value 3, this loop iterated 3 times, then 3 stars. Whenever I value 4, this loop iterated 2 times, then 2 stars. Whenever I value 5, this loop iterated 1 time, then 1 star. After printing space, cursor comes to next line, but we record in the same line. By default it comes to next line. That's what end equal to empty. Here also end equal to empty. After terminating 2 inner loops, cursor should come to next line. That's what print. Now whenever I value 1, This loop not iterated, that's what no space. This loop 5 times iterated, that's what 5 stars printed. After that control comes to next line. Whenever I value 2, this loop iterated 1 time, that's what 1 space printed. This loop iterated 4 times, that's what 4 stars printed. Cursor comes to next line. Whenever I value 3, this loop iterated 2 times, then 2 spaces printed. This loop iterated 3 times, 3 stars printed. Control comes to next line. Whenever I value 4, this loop iterated 3 times, then 3 spaces printed. This loop iterated 2 times, then 2 stars printed. Cursor comes to next line. Whenever I value 5, this loop iterated 4 times, then 4 spaces comes. This loop iterated 1 time, 1 star printed. Cursor comes to next line. See, file, save, run module. See, whatever we required, that is we got it. For getting more information on Python, refer my blog Python by Venkatesh Mansani.blogspot.com. For getting more information on Python, you visit my blog.